Today
Okay.
we're gonna make the okay guys, yeah? Let's make the lobster pasta today. Some salt, pepper, and then make your pan hot. Some oil on the pan. Let the oil get hot. Today we're gonna make the lobster pasta with the lobster pasta with fettuccine pasta, and then we are adding some bisque on it, and then some rocket, and then a cross of the cream. So it's gonna be nice, yeah. Okay, my pan is hot. I want to make it super hot because otherwise, like the lobster will get cooked too much on the one side. I want to make sure it's hot, and then I can get the nice color that I want on the lobster. My pan is hot. It's like kind of a belief for me that whether it is a non-sticky pan or a sticky pan, it might like help me to make it non-stick. Okay, I'm dropping my lobster. I'll let the lobster be for 1 minute. So always make sure your seafood is not overcooked, because otherwise if that is overcooked and if it gets soft, like the people might not like it, you might get a complaint, yeah. Depends on what you are cooking. If you are cooking beef or something, like if you braise it, then the meat gets more tender. But for this item, fish item, most of the items, some fish get very delicate, and then like it might break for longer time. So always everything has a proper time, temperature to get cooked, peak hour to get the flavor. So okay, this is my lobster that I gave it the color, yeah. Now I'm gonna add some garlic and then some wine. This is my garlic. It will get plain, yeah. And I'll let it I'll cover it for like 3 minutes. Okay, so after we cover for a while, like this is reduced by a little bit, yeah. So we're gonna turn the lobster around, yeah. I'm gonna just shake it. Like I need maybe like 2 more minutes to get the mix reduced to the desired thickness. So I'm gonna add some touch of cream, slightly touch of cream. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna add some rocket on it. Pasta. Little touch of butter. So my lobster is cooked. I can feel it. Pasta in. Let the pasta fuse with the bisque. I'm gonna just separate my lobster and the pasta, so I'm gonna put the lobster at the top of my pasta. Okay, my pasta is ready. Now it's time to plate. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just go. अवश्य
खिची छैन हात गल्यो त यार हात गल्यो सिधै जान्छ होला
Okay, so that's my pasta. I'm gonna add my lobster on side. I'm gonna add the butter. Add the beef. Lobster. So I'm gonna add. Can I have some rocket, guys? And then can I have my half soil as well? Yes, half soil. Check the alloy squeezing bottle down. And this is my half soil, which is made from the parsley and the basil. Yeah.